Hey, future millionaires, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Fortunes in Focus, and today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to make your first $1 million. Did you know that over 80% of millionaires are self-made? Today I'm revealing the steps they took to build their fortunes. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Defining your financial goals is a crucial first step towards making your first $1 million. Clear, specific goals give you direction, motivation, and a way to measure your progress. Here's a detailed guide on how to define your financial goals. Identify your ultimate goal. Clearly state what you want to achieve. Ensure you can track your progress. Set a realistic goal based on your income and expenses. Ensure the goal aligns with your long-term plans. Set a deadline. Break down the ultimate goal into short-term goals, smaller, manageable goals that lead to the ultimate goal. Medium-term goals, milestones to track progress. And long-term goals, annual targets that keep you on track. Determine your financial needs. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for unexpected costs. Pay off high-interest debt to free up more money for savings. And contribute to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. Develop a financial plan. Create a detailed budget that tracks your income and expenses. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Set specific savings goals for different needs: emergency fund, retirement, investments. Plan how to invest your money to achieve growth over time. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Monitor and adjust your goals. Review your financial goals and progress regularly, at least quarterly. Be prepared to adjust your goals based on changes in income, expenses, or life circumstances. Step 2. Educate yourself. Educating yourself on financial literacy is a crucial step towards making your first $1 million. Here's a detailed guide on how to gain the necessary knowledge and skills. Read books on personal finance and investing such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Understand the habits and practices of self-made millionaires. Take online courses, Coursera and edX, platforms offering courses from top universities on finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Udemy, find courses on specific topics like budgeting, stock trading, real estate investing, and more. Follow financial blogs and websites. The Motley Fool provides investment advice, stock recommendations, and financial news. Investopedia offers articles, tutorials, and investment guides on a wide range of financial topics. Mr. Money Mustache focuses on financial independence and frugal living. Financial Samurai provides insights on personal finance, investing, and early retirement. Listen to podcasts. The Dave Ramsey Show offers advice on debt reduction, budgeting, and wealth building. Bigger Pockets Podcast focuses on real estate investing and wealth building strategies. The Tim Ferriss Show. Interviews with successful individuals sharing their insights on business, investing, and personal development. Choose FI discusses financial independence, frugality, and investment strategies. Attend workshops and seminars. Local workshops. Look for personal finance or investment workshops in your community. Webinars. Participate in online seminars hosted by financial experts and institutions. Financial conferences. Attend conferences like FinCon to network and learn from industry leaders. Learn from successful people. Mentorship. Seek out mentors who have achieved financial success and can offer guidance. Networking. Connect with successful individuals through professional networks like LinkedIn. Interviews and biographies. Read and watch interviews with successful entrepreneurs and investors to learn from their experiences. Practice and apply what you learn. Start small. Apply your knowledge by managing your budget, saving, and making small investments. Track progress. Regularly review your financial goals and adjust your strategies based on what you've learned. Stay updated. Continuously educate yourself on new trends, tools, and strategies in personal finance and investing. Step 3. Develop. A solid financial plan is essential for achieving your goal of making your first $1 million. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you develop a comprehensive financial plan. Assess your current financial situation. List all sources of income, including salary, side hustles, and passive income. Track all your monthly expenses, categorizing them into needs and wants. List all your assets, such as savings, investments, property, and valuable possessions. List all your debts, including credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages. Allocate your income towards different categories: savings, investments, needs, housing, utilities, groceries, and wants, entertainment, dining out. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Adjust based on your financial goals. Automate contributions to your emergency fund from each paycheck. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, for example, credit card debt, to reduce the financial burden. Choose a debt repayment strategy that works for you. You can choose either a debt snowball or an avalanche. Debt snowball is paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, while debt avalanche is paying off the highest interest debts first to save on interest payments. Consider consolidating or refinancing loans to lower interest rates and simplify payments. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs to benefit from tax advantages. Open brokerage accounts to invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Spread investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage: health, auto, home, life, and disability insurance. Create a will and consider setting up a trust to manage your assets and protect your family's future. Step 4. Increase your income. Seek promotions and raises. Prepare for performance reviews by documenting your achievements and contributions. Continuously improve your skills through professional development courses, certifications, and training. Learn negotiation techniques to effectively ask for raises and promotions. Research industry salaries and job openings to find higher-paying opportunities. Improve your networking techniques. Use professional networks like LinkedIn to connect with potential employers and industry peers. Prepare thoroughly for job interviews to increase your chances of landing a better-paying job. Start a side hustle. Offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, or consulting on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Provide tutoring services in subjects you excel in through websites like Chegg Tutors or Wyzant. Sell products online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Drive for services like Uber or Lyft. Deliver food or packages for companies like DoorDash, Postmates, or Amazon Flex. Develop passive income streams. Start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Rent out a room on Airbnb or invest in rental properties. Invest in high dividend yielding stocks that provide regular income. Reinvest dividends to purchase more shares and compound your earnings. Purchase rental properties to generate monthly rental income. Invest in REITs to earn income from real estate without owning physical properties. Utilize peer-to-peer lending platforms. Use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper to lend money to individuals and earn interest. Write ebooks or create online courses on topics you're knowledgeable about. Sell your digital products on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Udemy. Develop mobile apps or software solutions. Sell your apps on Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or other software marketplaces. Categorize your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Limit spending on dining out, entertainment, and non-essential subscriptions. Find ways to reduce utility bills, such as using energy-efficient appliances and being mindful of water and electricity usage. Do it yourself for home repairs and maintenance where possible. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk to save money in the long run. Invest in low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to diversify your stock portfolio. Consider investing in individual stocks of companies you believe have strong growth potential, but keep this portion limited to reduce risk. Invest in government bonds for stable, low-risk returns. Invest real estate investment trusts, REITs, for exposure to real estate markets without owning physical properties. Consider investing in commodities like gold, silver, or oil as a hedge against inflation. Allocate a small portion of your portfolio to cryptocurrencies if you understand the risks and potential rewards. Adjust your savings and investment strategies based on major life changes, such as marriage, having children, or changing jobs. Stay informed about market conditions and economic trends to make informed investment decisions. Starting a business can be a powerful way to increase your income and build wealth. Choose a business idea that aligns with your interests and passions. Leverage your existing skills and expertise to gain a competitive edge. Find a gap in the market or a problem that needs solving. Study your competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Define your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. Conduct surveys or interviews with potential customers to validate your business idea. Create a basic version of your product or service to test with early adopters. Provide a brief overview of your business idea and objectives. Estimate your initial startup costs, including equipment, inventory, and marketing expenses. Create financial projections for the first 3 to 5 years, including revenue, expenses, and profitability. Additional tips: keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Reward yourself for achieving milestones to stay motivated. Recognize potential obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them. Have contingency plans in place for unexpected setbacks. Focus on positive outcomes and maintain a growth mindset. Be willing to adapt and learn from failures or setbacks. Find mentors or coaches who can provide guidance and support. Create a vision board with images of a successful business and client testimonials. Join an entrepreneur network for support and inspiration. Remain focused on your long-term vision and don't get distracted by short-term challenges. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans as needed. Maintain consistency in your efforts and daily habits. Take care of your physical and mental well-being to stay energized and motivated. Key takeaways: setting and achieving financial goals with a clear action plan. Building your financial knowledge and applying it effectively. Creating a financial plan that includes saving, investing, and budgeting. Increasing your income through various strategies and opportunities. Managing and growing your wealth with smart saving and investing techniques. Starting a business as a pathway to substantial earnings. Staying committed and motivated to reach your financial milestones. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. We are not financial advisors. You should consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before making any investment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Fortunes in Focus for more tips on personal finance and success. Let me know in the comments what your financial goals are, and if you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the journey to your first million starts with a single step.